Hello, welcome to the Live Study channel. Today I am going to discuss design pattern interview question and answer. So let's start. My first question is design pattern. Basically, design pattern are the reusable solution that solve common problems of software development. These problems include repetitive codes, redundant functions, and logic, right? This help to save considerable effort and time required for the developers while developing software. Design pattern are commonly used in object-oriented software product by incorporating, okay, promoting reusability for developing, okay. So basically just we are saying, for example, suppose when we are developing a software, right, some common problems like repetitive code, adding extra properties, or redundant functions are bounded to occur. Design pattern are smart and reusable solution for this problem, saving considerable times and effort for developers. Okay, so I'm not means is a solution of generating problem development process. I have already told you. Okay, best practice template means UI, right? Optimal driver and errors means logic. So this is a design pattern. Okay, move to the another question. Another question is what are the type of de design patterns in Java? Basically, design pattern is a three parts like a creation, right? Creational, structural, and behavioral. So some definition. So first point, discuss what a discuss means is a creational, right? Means this design pattern creation means this design pattern provide freedom of choice between creating object by hiding the logic, the object constructed and decoupled from the implementation system. Some of the example of creational pattern are like factory design pattern, builder design, prototype design, singleton design, abstract factory design, right? So based on creational like example. Another point is structural means forming large object structure, define objects needs, like help defining how the structure of classes and object should be, like the defining the composition between class interfaces and object. Some of the like for example is like adapter design, facade design, decorator design, and proxy design, for example, right? Third point is behavioral design pattern. Behavioral means help to define the how to object should communicate and interact with the one to another. For example, command pattern, iterator pattern, observer pattern, iterative pattern, right? So design pattern basically work this pattern, right? Creational, structural, and behavioral. So in creational, factory design pattern, right? Singleton, abstract design pattern, so many. I will discuss in the next question. Okay. Another question is creational design pattern in Java. Okay. The first one is a singleton design pattern, factory design pattern, abstract design pattern, and prototype design pattern and builder pattern. Right. So consideration creational design pattern in Java is initiate an object with the very best approach for the specific theme. Right. So discuss is the first point is singleton. Means singleton design pattern in Java restrict the instantiation means instantiation of a class that ensure that just one instance of the class exists within the Java virtual machine. It looked to be a really easy design pattern. Means, however, once it involve implementation, it comes with the lot of the implementation concern. This implementation of the singleton pattern has always been a disputable topics among the developer. Okay. Another point is factory design pattern. Factory design pattern is used once we have an excellent class with the multiple subclasses and a super input. In this, we need to define the interface or abstract class for creating an object. Subclasses are responsible for the creation of an instance of the class. The factory design pattern also called a virtual construction. An abstract factory pattern is can compare to factory pattern. Its factory of a factorize a single factory category that return the various subclasses supported the input provided and factory class used if else or switch statement to attain this. In this abstract factory pattern, we tend to eliminate if else block and have a factory class for every subclass, and so the abstract factory class which will return the subclass supported by the input factory pattern category. Okay. Prototype design pattern. Prototype design pattern in Java employ once the object creation could be an expensive affair and need a lot of your time and resources, and you have got the some object already exists. Therefore, this pattern provide a mechanism to copy the initial object to a replace object and so the modify it is for our want. This pattern use Java cloning to copy the object, like a cloning means copy. Prototype design pattern made that the object that you are copying should provide the super features. It must not be done by the other class, but whether or not to be used a shallow or deep copy for item property depend on the necessity, and it is a design called examine paradigm pattern for a simple program. Another point is builder pattern. Builder pattern in Java solve the problem with the sizable amount of X guarantee parameters and inconsistent state by providing how to create the item in a small strategy and supply a method which will ready return the final object. Examine the builder pattern. Example pattern are the new employee in JDK, Java Development Kit. Another question is structural design pattern in Java. So there are kind of structural design pattern means adapter design pattern, proxy design pattern, bridge design pattern, decoder design pattern, factory design pattern, composite design pattern, right? A flyweight design pattern. So just one by one I am discussing. So basically structural design pattern alternate way to form a class structure, right? For example, mistreated inheritance and composition to form an outside object from a small object. Okay, so just discuss is the first point is adapter patterns. Adapter pattern design pattern is one most the structural design pattern, and it is used in order that two unrelated interface will walk along. The object that join the unrelated interface called an adapter. As a true life example, we can think about a mobile charger as an adapter. As a result of the mobile battery want 3 voltage to charge, however the normal socket produce either 120 volt US or 240 volt India. Therefore the mobile charger work as an adapter between mobile charging socket and also the electricity outlet. The best example for adapter, right? Another point, composite, right? The basically composite is one amongst the structural design pattern and employ once we have to be complied to represent a part whole hierarchy once we out to produce a structure in a very approach that the object within the structure need to be treated identical approach we can apply the composite design pattern. Another point is proxy design pattern. Proxy design pattern in aim to provide a replace surrogate for one more object for control. Proxy pattern employ once we need to produce controlled access to a practically. Proxy design pattern as a control means suppose just I want to pass the link. Okay. So another point, flyweight pattern. Flyweight Java design pattern employ once we out to we produce a lot of the object of a class since each object consume memory space that may be crucial for low memory device corresponding to mobile device or embedded system. Flyweight design pattern applies to reduce the load on memory by sharing object. Another point is facet pattern. Facet pattern employed to help consume application to simplify act with the system. Suppose we have got an application with a set of interface to use MySQL, Oracle, database and to become up with the different type of report corresponding to hypertext markup language report, PDF report, etc. Therefore we will have a totally different set of a interface to figure with the differing type of database currently consume. Application will use interface to org the specified info affiliation and generate report. However, once the complexity will increase or the interface behavior name are confusing, consumer application can realize it troublesome to manage, etc. Therefore, we can apply facet pattern here. The supply vapor interface are high of the privileging interface to assist consumer application. For example, implementing detailed and simple program. Another point is bridge pattern. Bridge pattern means employ to decouple the interface from implementation and concealment the implementation detail from the consumer program like adapter pattern. It is one amongst the structural design pattern. Decode decorator pattern design employed to change the practically of an object at a runtime. At identical time, alternative instance of the identical class will not be full. This therefore individual object get the chance behavioral decorator design pattern once amongst the structural design pattern such as the adapter pattern, bridge pattern, composite pattern, and huge structural abstract classes are interface with the composition to implement. Another question is behavioral design pattern. Behavioral design pattern means there are several means mediator pattern, observer pattern, chain of responsibility pattern, iterator pattern, interpreter pattern, state pattern, command pattern, visitor pattern, strategy pattern, template mode pattern. So there are discussed some pattern means basically behavior means what? Behavior means high interaction between object and way to produce loss coupling means loose coupling, right? Means loose coupling and adaptability to increase simplify. That's called behavior. So just discuss is a template method. So template method define the step to execute a rule and it will be give default implementation that may be common for all a number of subclasses. Mediator patterns. Mediator pattern employed to produce a centralized communication medium between totally different objects in a very system. We can use it in an enterprise application where the multiple objects interacting with one another. If the object act with one another directly, the system elements are tightly coupled with one another. That creates maintainability price higher and not versatile to increase simplify. Mediator pattern focus on to give a mediator between object or communication and facilitate in implementing loose coupling between object. Means loose coupling. Chain of responsibility pattern to attain loose coupling in software system design. Whenever asking from the consumer first to a chain of object to method, then the object within the chain can decide themselves who are going to process the request and whether or not the request is needed to be sent to future object within the chain or not. Observer design pattern beneficial to you with the state of an object and need to org notified whenever there is any modification in observer pattern. The item and watches on the state of another object as known as observer and also the object that is being watched in build subject. In Java provide intrinsically in intrinsically platform for implementing observer pattern through java.util.observer category and java.util.observer interface. As a result, implementing is most of the day. We tend to do not need to finish up extending category only for implementing observer pattern, as Java do not give multiple inheritance in categories. Strategy pattern additional referred to as a policy pattern and has multiple rules for specific task, and consumer decide the actual implementation to be used at runtime. We tend to define multiple rules and let consumer application pass the algorithm to be used as a parameter. Once amongst the simplest example of the pattern is collection.sort method that take a comparator parameters, like method use the comparator.sort method, right? And also the implementation of comparator interface that object have gotten sorted in a numerous way. Another point is command pattern. Command pattern employed to implement loose coupling in a very request response model. Thus, the request sent to the invoker and invoker passes it is to be encapsulated command object. Command object passes the request to be acceptable method of the receiver to perform the particular action. Behavior. State pattern design employee an object is behavior support by it is internal state. If we have got to alter the behavior of an object supported it is state, we can have a state variance within the object and use if the condition block to perform totally different variable with the object, and use if else conditional block to perform totally different action supported the state pattern employed to produce a specific signified and closed couple thanks to achieving through the content and state implementation. Another is the visitor pattern employing once we have to compel to perform an operation on bunch reasonable object. With the assistance of traveler pattern we move to operational logic from the object to different. Interpreter pattern define a grammatically illustration for a language and provide an interpreter to influence the grammar. But in Java compiler, we best example of the pattern interpreter the Java ASCII text file into a computer memory until code that apprehensible by JVM. Iterator pattern in once among the behavior pattern a custom give a customary thanks to travel through the bunch of the object employee in Java. Assortment framework wherever the iterator interface provides strategy for the traversing through a group, but iterator pattern does not solely regarding traversing through a group. We can give totally different reasonably iterator support by one need to iterator pattern hide the particularly implementation of traversal through the gathering and consumer program simplify with strategy, example, pattern and example implementation. Another point is memento pattern. Memento pattern employ once we need to save lot of the state of an object in order that we can restore shortly. It employ to implement this in such how to save the data of the item not accessible outside for the item. This protects integrity of saving data. Another question is, what do you understand by the open closed principle? The open closed principle states that any class's component or entity should be open the extension but closed for modification. A class can be extended with the inheritance interfaces composition whenever required in instance. In need of modifying the code of the classes, consider an instance where we have a class that calculated the area of a square. Later we got the requirement of calculating the area of a rectangle. Here is in need of modifying the original class. We can create one's base class, and it is base class can extended by the new class rectangle. Next question is, how are design principles different from design patterns? Design principles are those principles that are allowed while designing software system for any platform by making use of any programming language. Means solid principles are the design principles that we allow a guideline to develop reverse extendable and executable software system. These apply to all aspects of programming, but in design pattern are the reusable template solution for commonly occurring problems that can be customized as per problem requirement. These are well implemented solutions that are tested properly and are safe to use. Factory design patterns, singleton patterns, strategy pattern are a few of the example of design pattern. Next question is, what are some instances where we prefer abstract classes over interface in Java? Both abstract classes and interface in Java follow the principle of writing code for interface rather than the implementation. This principle ensures that flexibility is added to the code to tackle dynamic requirements. Some of the pointers for deciding what to prefer over what are as follow. Java lets to extend only one classes and let's implement multiple interface. If we extend one's class, then we cannot extend another classes. In such case, it is better to implement the interface where possible and observe the inheritance of classes to only important ones. Interfaces are used to representing the behavior of classes. Java lets to implement multiple interfaces, which is why we can take the help of interface to help classes have multiple behavior at the same time. Abstract class are slightly faster than interface. It can be used for time crucial application in cases where there are common behaviors across the inheritance hierarchy. This can be coded at one's place in abstract classes. Interfaces and abstract classes can also be used together to define a function, interface, and functionality in abstract class. Another question is, what is a chain of responsibility pattern in in what scenario to apply this pattern. So it's this scenario. So first is client, means is a field type, method types, right? So there are three types like client, handler, concrete handler. Must handle is there are two parts, concrete handle at one and concrete handle two. So the main point is, what is chain? The chain of responsibility belong to the category of a behavior design pattern that pass request view a chain of handlers. Whenever a request is received, the handler decided whether to process the request or pass it to be the next handler of the chain. It is used for achieving loose coupling, where the client request is passed through an object chain to process them. Okay. So there are there are in this diagram there are three parts, like three components. This is not about three component in design, like client, right? Client, handler or concrete handlers. So basically this basically the client is the point of the request origination and the components that access the handler for handling the request, right? But handler can either be a class or interface that receive the request primarily and dispatch it to be the chain of handlers. This handler known as only for the first handler for the chain. But concrete handlers, these are actually request handler in scenario, right? Scenario or but there are some cases, in these cases, like whenever we want to decouple the sender and we receiver the request, whenever we want to multiple object to handle a request at a runtime, whenever we do not want to explicitly specify handler in the code, whenever we want to issue a request to several objects without explicitly specifying the handlers. So one chain handler and concrete handler 1 and 2. The chain handler request sent to the handler, okay, but in hand is the main point is a handler means a handle request method. Concurrent is a handler request method also, and successor and extended. Another question is, what is decorator design pattern? I have already explained in this video, but there are three main portions, right? So let's start. Just see the figure. Suppose for example, okay, I am creating SAP class, driver class, right? Rectangular, triangular. So decorator design pattern belong to the category of structural design pattern that lets user add new feature to an existing object without modifying the structure. This pattern create a class called decorator class that can act as a wrapper to existing class by keeping the signature of class method intact. This pattern makes use of abstract classes and interface with the composition. For implementing the wrapper, they are mostly used to apply single responsibility principle, as we divide functionalities into classes with unique constraint This pattern is structurally similar to the chain of responsibility pattern. Following are the steps to implement decorated design pattern means create an interface and concrete classes that implement this interface. Also create an abstract decorator class that implement the above interface. Create a concrete decorator class that extend the above classes. Use the concrete decorator class to decorate the interface object and verify output. So let's understand with the help of the example, just like a shape class, driver class, triangle class, and rectangle class. Implement this class, right? Suppose SAP class. Okay, SAP interface is not a class interface, sorry. SAP means public view to drawable class to create concrete class rectangular.java and triangular.java that implement the SAP interface and implement this interface. Okay, means public rectangular implement the SAP class. And create SAP decorator abstract class that implement the SAP interface. Another is create the red color decorator Java class that extend the SAP decorator class. Implement the SAP decorator class. Implement the driver class to demo to decorator class. Right. Move to the another question. Another question is, what problem does builder patterns try to solve? A builder pattern is a type of creational design pattern that lets to construct complex object in a step-by-step manner. The pattern lets to produce different representation of an object using same construction logic. It helps in creating immutable classes having a large set of attributes. In factory and abstract factory design pattern, we encounter the following issue. If the object contains a lot of attributes, when the arguments are too many, the program will be error prone while passing from the client to the factory class in a specified order. It becomes tedious to maintain the order of argument when the types are the same. There might be some optional attribute of the object, and yet we would be forced to send all parameters and optional attributes as null. When the object creation become complex due to heavy attribute, the complexity of this class would become confusing. Above the problem can also be solved by using the constructor of required parameters along, but this case an issue when this would be new parameters that are added as a part of the new requirement. This would result in consistencies, that is where builder come into the picture. This pattern solves the issue of a large number of optional attribute and the inconsistent state by providing means to build an object in a step-by-step way and return the final object utilizing another method. Another question is, which design pattern is preferred for creating a complex object? Builder design pattern is more suitable for creating complex object as it is an extension of factory design pattern and is created the solving the issue associated with the factory design and abstract design pattern. Another question is, what is the prototype design pattern and when to be used? It is a creational design pattern which is used in cases when a large number of instances of a class are required and these instances are almost identical but may have slightly different prototypes. This pattern is useful in case whenever this is high time and cost of overhead associated with the object creation. This pattern mainly work work creating clone of the existing object in need of creation a new instance very time so that perform is optimized. Another question is, explain in a singleton design pattern whether it is better to make the whole get instance method synchronized or just critical session is enough. Which one is preferable? Synchronization of whole get instance method is costly. It is only needed during the initialization on singleton instance to stop creating another instance of singleton. Therefore, it is better to only synchronize crucial session and not the whole method. Another question is, differentiate ordinary and abstract factory design pattern. Through both patterns are related to object creation, developer use a factory pattern to create one object through the inheritance. In the contrast, an abstract factory design pattern produce families of objects related dependent on each other. Another significant difference is that while you produce implementation in the factory design pattern, you create implementations of a factory interface in the absolute factory pattern. Another question is, how is the bridge pattern different from the adapter pattern? The adapter and bridge pattern are very similar. They are both considered a form of encapsulation and facilities more control over code changes without impacting the class structure. However, the main difference between two that using a bridge pattern separate the essential data from the implementation. In construct, an adapter pattern allow incompatible classes to an interface without changing the source code. What are anti-pattern? An anti-pattern are the composite side of design pattern. Some negative consequences occurs while implementing a solution to commonly occurring problems terms as anti-pattern, and they can create work and badly affect the software. Anti-pattern can occur if a developer does not apply a design pattern using best practice or has applied a specified design pattern in wrong constants. Another question is, what are different ways to create a singleton design pattern in Java? Singleton design pattern can create in the following way, like eager loading or lazy loading. Eager loading object of singleton class get create when the class is loaded into the memory. This method implementation should be avoided as it is create the object even then it is not a request or use. Lazy loading. In lazy loading is the object of singleton class create when it is actually requested by the client. In this method, object is created within the singleton instance accessor method. This is the desired way to create the singleton object. It will create the instance only when it is required by the client. Another question is, what happens if the method returning instance of singleton class is not synchronized in multiple threaded environment? In case of multi-threaded environment, the non-synchronized accessor method of singleton class may create more than one instance of the class. This can happen when two threads enter the condition to check if the instance already exists at the same time. Since both the thread will find that the instance does not exist, they will get a new object, create and return, and thus we will have more than one instance of the class available. Another question is, when service locator pattern is used, when we want to locate various services using JNDI, we use service locator pattern. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this video. Thank you so much.